Welcome back to Papa's Home. We're on day 6 now of the shower remodel. Let's see what's changed. So, they've filled in the dirt. You can see this is the new center of the drain. The old drain for the shower used to be right about here, and now they've moved it so it'll be more in the center, which is great because once the shower head is kind of shooting out water at an angle, hopefully that'll fall closer to the drain, so that'll be good. That's just more of an aesthetic. I don't know if there's a actual advantage there. So from here, this goes all the way out. So we'll just step outside. If you've seen some of the other videos, you know that I had a pumpkin patch growing right there. Unfortunately, the plumbers had to rip it out, so no worries. It actually was growing way ahead of the season anyways, so these white pipes right here, this is just part of my sprinkler system. That has nothing to do with the shower, but underneath it, that's the new drain. So that's what's poking through the wall right there. And then what it does is it comes over this way, and it tees back into the main that's connected to the master over here. From there, there's a clean out. So in the event of a clog, you just lift in here and you get access to all these pipes. There's actually another one kind of buried, I don't know, about here. But this one is angled that goes like towards the house, and then if you put a snake into that one, it would actually angle away back towards the street. So makes it great for cleaning out stuff. So I really like this hack. I'm glad we didn't have to chip through the concrete, and instead we were able to get it to go through the dirt. So yeah, no more cast iron. Now we have ABS. Next step, I think on Monday, we're going to be filling in that patch with cement, and you'll have to let it cure all day long. And then hopefully on Tuesday, the plumber's all done at that point. So there's a couple little things that I'm going to have him do. If you saw those pipes sticking out in the front of the house, I'm going to have him rip those out on the back side there, and then we'll get that all patched and sealed. But yeah, that's the end of day 6. I imagine I'll probably wait until the plumber's completely done at this point. Because to be honest, all he really needs to do with this part is just kind of move it up, maybe change out the valve, and make that a little bit taller. And it's just not that exciting. So yeah, not much to update, but 2 people were here all day long just trying to replace the drain. So thanks for stopping by.